What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very healthy Thai-style chicken noodle soup right after this. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA. This episode is sponsored by milkandeggs.com. If you're in the LA area, check them out for farm fresh fruits, veggies, meats, and more. So for our chicken noodle soup, we're going to be making our own chicken broth. And this broth is going to be super light, but also packed with tons of flavor. So in a large pot, I'm going to add 2 chicken breasts with the skin and bones included. And we're going to start adding our aromatics. So I'm going to slice up some green onions, as well as some lemongrass, about a thumb-sized chunk of ginger, half of a large shallot, 1 whole jalapeno split into halves, 2 star anise seeds, and 5 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon and a half of white sugar, about a tablespoon or so of black peppercorns, and we're going to start out with 2 teaspoons of salt. I never really want to add too much salt at the beginning of making a soup or broth because you don't want to oversalt it and not be able to fix it later. We can add more salt after it's finished cooking. Now that literally everything is in the pot, we're going to add 6 cups of water and then turn on the heat to high. Once it comes up to a full rolling boil, we're going to reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer uncovered for 30 minutes. Once it's been 30 minutes, we're going to turn off the heat and take out the chicken to cool before we slice. And then we're going to strain all the solids out of our broth before adding 2 tablespoons of lime juice. After the chicken's cooled for a bit, I removed the skin and the bones and I just sliced it to 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick slices. And I also cooked some rice noodles according to the package directions. So to plate, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with some of our rice noodles in the center of a deep bowl. And then I'm going to add a few slices of our chicken breasts. And then we're going to add some shallots, some fresno chilies, and we're going to add a lot of herbs. So I'm going to be putting cilantro, fresh basil, and mint. And then once all that's in there, we can add our broth. So the secret to making a Thai-style chicken noodle soup like this one was simmering our chicken in a ton of Asian-style aromatics like lemongrass, ginger, and garlic, and then slicing that chicken and pouring everything over rice noodles. And there you have an awesome, healthy Thai-style chicken noodle soup. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to give it a like, and let me know if you have any suggestions for future episodes in the comments down below. You can click this button to subscribe to our channel and check out some of our other videos over here. My name is Jay, and this is BROIL LA.